Alright, just an update on Chris's GTO. We're just playing with the exhaust. It's a Varex exhaust, so inside there's a motorized valve. Uses electricity or an electric motor to open and close. It hasn't been wired up yet. There are wires in the boot. They were on some switches, but it was pretty rough, so I've got it integrated into the ECU with a timer. Use some logic, use the OEM switches to activate it based on TPS and maybe some other inputs, but just going to do a manual test and see how it sounds with it open versus closed. So let's fire it up. That's it. Exhaust open, ready for the dyno.